हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अ फिगर शो सर्टेन वायर सेगमेंट ज्वाइंट टुगेदर टू फॉर्म अ कोप्लानर लूप। द लूप इज प्लेस्ड right in a perpendicular magnetic field in the direction going to the plane of figure. The magnitude of field increases with time. I1 I2 are the currents in the segment AB and CD. Okay, so the field is increasing with time, so I will say here dB by dt is positive. So I say dB by dt, right, since B is increasing, right, since B is increasing here, so dB by dt will be greater than 0. It is given in the question only, and it is saying, okay, and these four options are given. So what I will do here, I will try to deform the figure, right? Right, what I will do, I will take these two branches and will make it a straight. So let us do here. In that way also we'll get the same answer, right? Right, if I take these two branches and make them a straight, then this will have no impact in the direction of current and or the magnitude of current. So let us try to deform here. So if I make it a straight, okay, so this will be CD, right? This will be AB. So this is your C, D, this is your A, B, and this way I can extend it. So it will go, it will become a straight from here. It will remain a straight from here, okay, this side, and it will go like this, okay, and here also it will again extend it, okay, so and here it will go something like this, okay. So right, what I have done, I have take these two branches and make it a straight, and this is your CD and this is AB. Now let us try to work on this figure, okay. So now it is saying I have to find the current, okay. So since, right, and it is saying the B is increasing, so if the B is increasing, so because of the Lenz's law it will try to oppose it. So if the current is moving in this direction, then right, in this way the right, due to induced current, the field will go out of the plane of paper, and this way only it can oppose the increasing field which is into the plane of paper. Because if the current is in this direction, right, if the current is in this direction, then the induced magnetic field will also go into the plane of paper only, and it will try to support it. So in order to oppose, due to the Lenz's law, the induced current will go in this direction, and hence the magnetic field due to induced current will be out of the plane of paper, and hence it will oppose the increasing magnetic field. So only way is the induced current will go in this way. So see which option is there, right? I1 is the current, right? I1 and I2 are the currents in the segment AB. So here it is I, right? I1 is the current in segment AB, so this is your I1, and I2 is the current in segment CD. So this current is I2. So let us see which option is coming. I1 is in the, and both, right? Option A is not possible because I1 and I2 will be same because this is a single loop, so both will be same only. I1 is in the direction of BA. I1 is in the direction of BA, that is wrong. C, option D. I1 is in the direction of AB, correct? And I2 is in the direction of DC. So obviously option D is matching here. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.